Esme and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, this video is about cleaning, and more specifically, cleaning those really gross stains that, you know, babies, puppies that get sick might leave all over your trendy white sofa, white sheets, white carpet. So the reason that I actually had to film this video is because my puppy got really sick and ate something he wasn't supposed to. And as a result, I had to kind of learn and figure out how to clean these certain stains. Now, that's actually part of the reason that I wasn't able to upload any videos last week. It's because my 9-month-old golden doodle that just learned he can reach the table and ate something he wasn't supposed to. Of course, I called the vet, figured that all out, and he just told me to give him a little bit of pumpkin puree to kind of help him get everything out, which he did all over my white carpet. And he also told me, warned me that he was going to be getting a little bit of diarrhea, which he did on my white carpet. That also got on some of my white sheets. And of course, right away, I tried to go on Amazon and order some Folex because everybody talks about how incredible this is, how it gets all the stains out you could possibly think about. Well, I got an email and it said that it was a damaged box, something happened, I don't know, they were just gonna refund my money and I wasn't gonna get my product. So thank goodness one of my friends at my gym gave me this amazing recipe with just household items that I'm pretty sure every single person has in their house because I have them in my house and I'm really not the person to have extra stuff. So I made up this really fast DIY and was able to get every single stain out. Now, she told me she would use this when her babies would have blow-ups and she needed to get stains out or anything like that, and they're out of sheets or anything like that. So this is not just on, you know, pet stains, but also, I guess, baby stains or, you know, anything that damages your trendy white couches, white sheets, white carpet. So if you want to learn how to keep your home smelling fresh, get stains out, then go ahead and keep on watching. So all we're going to need is 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide, half a cup of vinegar, 1/4 of a cup of dish Dawn soap, and some peppermint essential oils, and of course our spray bottle. And we just shake it all up. So let's go ahead and try to remove our pet stains now.
Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and take that little solution we just made and spray it all over my puppy's puke stains. Now what I did is I went ahead and sprayed them, make sure they were really nice and saturated with the product. And I actually had done a couple test spots, and as you can see, this product works really well. It's already starting to disappear the spots, but what I feel was really the power punch to really making these stains completely disappear is that I sprinkled a little tiny bit of OxiClean on them. Now, I use OxiClean a lot in my laundry. I love this product, and I figured let's combine them, let's use it with this DIY solution, and oh my goodness, it worked amazing. So after I sprinkled it, I did go ahead and spray one more time up top just so that it can get a little bit wet. And look at that, you guys. You can see as I'm gently rubbing, these spots are literally disappearing. This is not time lapse, this is real time. That is how fast these puke stains that had pumpkin puree and, you know, all his other little food that he had eaten in his belly that he threw up. And I just went ahead and dabbed it, and look at that, completely gone. I was super amazed by how well this worked, to be honest. I mean, they're completely gone. Alright guys, so now I'm going to test this product on the stains that no pet owner ever wants to admit that they have. Those little accidents that our adorable puppies have on our carpets. And yes, that is number 2 on there. Or actually, maybe you could call it a number 3. Like I said, poor little Gatsby bear got really sick and he did have diarrhea, and those were the little accident stains. Yeah, not fun to clean up, but this product definitely took that out. Now, one other really great thing about this product is that if you have a small puppy that you're still trying to potty train and he's having a lot of accidents inside, and particularly in the same spots, so this DIY product will actually get rid of the actual enzymes of the smell of his pee, which means that even if you can't smell it anymore, you can't see it anymore, but you notice your puppy still peeing in that spot, it's because he can still smell his enzymes of his pee there, and he now is thinking that that's where he's always going to pee at. So if you use this DIY cleaner, it will take out all of those smells, and he won't be able to find traces of his own pee anymore, which means he will stop hopefully peeing inside of your home. I have used this when on Gatsby's previous accidents, just without the OxiClean, but they definitely work, so I really do recommend that. And like you can see here, it definitely also worked on his number 2s. It was so funny when my mom came over after Gatsby was sick. She questioned me where the spots were because I had told her, and she couldn't even find them. That's how amazing that worked. So if you have a little puppy that's having accidents inside, go ahead and make this DIY cleaner. Let me know if it works. Let me know if he stopped pottying inside. Comment down below. And you know what? I want to see your puppies because I love puppies. So make sure that you tag me in your puppy's pictures on Instagram. I would love to see those cute little pooches because they can create really nasty stains that we obviously hate cleaning up, but their faces are so adorable. How can you ever be mad? And now I'm taking my little magic DIY remover on my bright white sheets. Yes, that is some number 2 that Gatsby had from getting his little booty dirty from his diarrhea. And then he hopped in the bed and got my bright white sheets dirty. I know, it's gross. So again, I took the spray bottle with a little bit of OxiClean, and guys, it was like magic. There's no little, yellow residue left afterwards. My sheets look bright white. You can't tell that there was ever any poop stains on there. It's amazing. And then I'm going to go ahead and just time-lapse this for you guys so you guys can see what other pieces of furniture and fabric this worked on. I tried it on his doggy bed, and I also tried it on some towels. And as you guys will see in the following clips, again, it's amazing. This really does work. It is not a gimmick. It's not a hack. It really is a really good stain remover. So to keep your sheets and your blankets and all those good linen smelling fresh and clean, I love pouring in some baking soda, just sprinkling it all in at the very bottom of your washing machine. And I like to get, I'm about to wash a pretty big comforter, so I like to put a good amount in there. Just sprinkle it all in. And then once you get your sheets or whatever it is you're cleaning in there, I actually like to go ahead and take a little bit of vinegar and just kind of drizzle it on the top. I know some people are a little weird about using vinegar. Trust me, after you use your detergent and all that, you're not even going to smell it in your clothes or your sheets. Now these tricks, you guys, I'm telling you, will get your blankets, your sheets, anything like that smelling amazing, get them looking bright white. I have fallen asleep with black leggings, and that residue of that darkness on the sheets comes right off with this trick. I have also left towels in the corner that are wet. They get a little smelly and they just come out super, super fresh. I love doing this to all of my linens, not just when I have a sick puppy, but anytime I actually wash my linens, I do this trick.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I really hope that you guys were able to learn something new, how to keep your house smelling clean, your sheets smelling clean, your fur baby smelling clean. I feel like these are tips that obviously do not just apply to dog parents, but any parents, any adult that, sometimes you get red wine stains, even if you don't have any fur children or regular children. So yeah, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what are some of your favorite stain related, smelly related cleaning hacks. I would love to know. I am definitely a person that considers myself a pretty big neat freak, clean freak, germ-phobic person, so I'm always looking for new ways to clean my home, having it smell fresh, and I love going kind of like more of the home way, like homemade, and I love going kind of more of like, and I do love going more of the homemade like stain remover cleaners way. I just always feel so much better about myself when I use something that's a little bit more natural than just really harsh chemical products. So go ahead and leave any comments down below. Let me know what you guys really like to use to clean things like this. And of course, subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!